Today lunch buffet, we are going to make the dahi curry. We have the yogurt and the besan cooking here right here, and we are tempering this curry with curry leaves, mustard seed, some chili, some onion, and some fennel seed. Look like they cooked well. Now we're gonna add some turmeric, a bit. Gonna add some chili powder. Gonna add some garam masala, some coriander powder, some cumin powder. Now we're going to mix well. And we're gonna add this into the curry. Nice. Look at the color, so beautiful. And we're gonna mix slowly here. Nice, boiling nicely. So what next step is we're gonna add some fish in here. Can you please pass some fish for me? Alright, we have nicely cut the fish here. Look at this. We're gonna add the fish to here. Look at the color of the curry. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna telling you. We have some turmeric, we have some cumin, coriander, the asafoetida, we call hing. Oh, nice. So in the buffet today, you guys never had like a fish yogurt curry, so this is the time to try. This is a very famous North Indian dish, and it's just the yogurt, spices, some onion, and the fish, and it has it's a homemade yogurt, so it has nice acid in here, so it goes very well with the fish. So because the fish needs a little bit acid, so please come and try the fish dahi curry today, and look how delicious it is. So see you guys soon.